Hi everybody. While we were last away, we had the dreaded clips break like that on the window catch, so it wouldn't drop down. It happened overnight, so what I ended up doing, just as a quick fix, was this. You just jam a biro in, the clips have broken. So what you can then do is get your blind up and down, just as a quick fix. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to strip it down. I've got some new parts. They are engineered new parts from a 3D printer. Got them off eBay. I just measured that they were the correct size. They're meant to be 36mm, but some of them do go up to 38 and indeed even 40. But let's see how we do there. So very simply, these couple of screws at the bottom on these blinds, so drop it down the back of the mattress. I think nearly all camper van blinds of this type and of this age are all going to be very similar fittings. So there we go, take them out, and that should drop away like that. And all we've got to do is undo those and those, and we'll start then taking the blind out. Right, that's the end caps done. You can also put some extra tension into your blind should they have become weak over time like this, by just tightening it up on the centre shaft. But I'm hoping that this is all we need to do to get these out. And then that. These small blue clips at the end of the blind are a push fit, and they are very snug. But we've got the broken part off now. Just about to fit the new one to this part of the wire, and then we're going to get it all slid back in. Let's see how that goes. Well, that's it in place. Just trying to slide it in. Might be a little bit tricky trying to do what we want. Oh, there we go. And make sure the bar goes in and follows it. There we go. Just got to get the end blue cap on and put it all back together. I could match the other one out to the same size, but I think it's going to be alright. So we'll see how we get on. So, all back in place. I've just lightly screwed it in place just to hold it and just check the functionality, and yeah, it all seems to be good. Got the right tension on the straps. Normally you probably wouldn't have to take the end caps off here, but I needed to put a bit more tension in anyway as it all came across. So yeah, I think I got 6, and I think they were about 12 quid. They were basically £6 for a pair, but if you bought 2 packs, you got one free. And as they're a plastic item on a 10-year-old camper van, I assume that more are going to go. I could have changed them over, but we'll just leave it as it is, one grey and one white. And that's how easy it is to change a broken slider catch on a Seitz Hertz blind.